I love this pendulum. Hi friends, I forgot to say hello. What is inside? Batteries, probably electromagnets and Hall sensor. I don't see. Look at how a simple magnet behaves. Simple magnet, mechanical stuff, and this simple magnet. Okay, and oscillation. This is no perpetual motion machine. Oh. Looks like it's amazing. And here dolphins, which an incomprehensible period of oscillation for me. Look at this. Oh. Just a second, and an original pendulum, and amazing device. I love this stuff. Mathematically it will be difficult to describe, but this is interesting. What you think about this device? Amazing pendulum, amazing dolphins oscillation. That's all for now. Bye bye friends. Turn off.